Bautista goes to the open. Coverage was there, but and a combination play is successful for Team Lalo. Sabalza goes to Narag, who is rejected by Batacan. Lalo now at set point. Jacob to serve for Team Lalo. 1 serving 2. Narag with the reception. Quick attack by Bion. Vargas through the block. Bion now on deck to serve. 5 serving 4. 5 serving 9. And down the line, hit by Batacan. Bion now on deck to serve. 22 serving 15. Vargas to Bautista. To Longakit with the rolling ball is Doug. Sabalza chooses Narag. But there's a serving 15. Bautista chooses Batacan with a successful our official score. Columna with the service, Narag. And a point, block point there from Wanang now to serve, 8 serving 10. Bautista chooses Batacan. Again with a drop ball at the back is at the opposite. Kabawatan is blocked. And coverage was there. Narag. Good recover by Batacan. Chance ball for Team Piat. Quick attack is successful for Jacob with the serve. Narag. Sabalza. And the point for Team Lalo. And the winner for this match is Team Lalo.